Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, BambooHR Action Automation for Workflow. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, click on it. Then click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. When you're done with your installation, reload the page and head down to the custom page of the app, click on it. Then you're going to see the interface of the app with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started. We have the smart queue and the walkthrough configuration video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials and set up your app. We have the app set up, no worries, let's walk you through. Click on the start setup and you'll have all these features to enter. Head over to the account online, click on your profile, click on API keys. Then you click on add a new key, you give a name, and then you click on generate key. Copy your key and you click on completed or finished. Head back to the account and you paste your key. Copy your domain and then switch back to the account and paste. When you're done inserting all the credentials, then you click on complete setup and your app will be successfully configured and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for the support team. We have an interesting feature which is a change log that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on the subscribe. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. Our team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.